How do you become a successful investor in the stock market? You have to start by educating yourself. There are so many different ways to make money in the stock market. Most people don't take the time to learn about all the various ways. One of the most popular ways to make money in the stock market is by investing in index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund or ETF that tracks the performance of a particular market index. A REIT is a company that owns and manages income-producing real estate. REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, making them a great option for investors seeking passive income. This means that they don't put all of their money into stocks. Instead, they also invest in other asset classes such as bonds, commodities, and cash. This helps to reduce risk and volatility in their portfolio, which is essential for long-term success in investing. Smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and tricks. See you guys next time. REITs can invest in a variety of different types of real estate, including office buildings, retail spaces, and even residential properties. For example, the S&P 500 is a popular index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest companies in the United States. But by following the tips outlined in this video, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Remember to start by educating yourself. Explore different investment strategies. Diversify your portfolio and stay up to date with market trends. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future for yourself. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a certain price on or before a specific date. Options can be a great way for investors to generate income, hedge against risk, or speculate on the price movements of a stock. They understand that the stock market is constantly evolving, and they need to evolve with it. They read books, attend seminars, and follow industry experts to stay ahead of the curve. They also regularly review their investment strategy and make adjustments as needed. However, it's important to remember that options trading is a very risky investment strategy and is not suitable for all investors. Investing in an S&P 500 index fund is a great way to get exposure to the U.S. stock market without having to pick individual stocks. Index funds are a great option for beginner investors because they are relatively easy to understand and manage. They also tend to be very cost-effective, which is important for long-term success in investing. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, has famously said that for most people, the best investment strategy is to buy and hold an S&P 500 index fund. Successful investors understand that investing is a long-term game, and they have the patience to ride out any short-term volatility. They also understand that diversification is key, and they spread their investments across different asset classes and geographies. Finally, successful investors never stop learning. They constantly educate themselves on new investment strategies, and they always keep up with the latest market trends. What are some of the best ways to make money in the stock market? Another popular way to make money in the stock market is by investing in ETFs. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges just like individual stocks. ETFs can track a variety of different indexes, including market indexes, commodity indexes, and even currency indexes. ETFs are a great option for investors who want more flexibility than what's offered by traditional index funds. They can be traded throughout the day during regular trading hours, and they often have lower fees than index funds. For those looking to invest in real estate, REITs, or real estate investment trusts are a popular choice. Finally, options trading is another popular way to make money in the stock market. In addition to these investment strategies, successful investors also diversify their portfolios across different asset classes. It's also important to note that successful investors constantly educate themselves and stay up to date with the latest market trends and economic news. In conclusion, becoming a successful investor in the stock market takes time, effort, and patience. Now check out this video over here for more ways to make money in the stock market. And if you enjoyed this video,